Oh, hey guys, I just wanted to record a quick video. It is very late at night and I am up and something exciting is happening with Bitcoin. As you can see, there's a great big green candle. It has just broken through. I will show you on my TradingView chart what it looks like. And I'm in this move. I got in today thinking it was going to do this, and it did. It didn't prove me wrong this time. I am totally 100% correct in today thinking that it was going to break through this long-term trend line here. The reason being, pardon me, the reason being, looking at the weekly chart, I was looking at the RSI today and thinking, it has just broken through the 50, and when it does that, the last time I did that, it started to go for a massive bull run, right? So it was below the 50 on the weekly, and I saw it breaking through, and I'm thinking, okay, this is actually the start. I believe this is the start of the next bull run that we're going to go on. So yeah, I stayed home today. I got offered work, but I thought, no, today is significant. I'm going to stay home and trade. And I'm so glad that I did, because, yeah, I was correct in picking that was going to happen. So I like to look at a few different indicators to pick what I'm going to do, and I'll just share. A really good one is this one, the RSI Div Lib. I really like this RSI indicator because it has it tells us the pivot points and the bull and the bear points. I'm finding it's pretty reliable on the 12-hour in pointing out the pivot points and the bear points. So when I saw this going bear on this candle, on this big tall green candle, I knew it was due for a retracement, which it did. Drew the fibs, it hit the 38.2, started going back up, rejected, but I was watching it today, rejecting that long-term trend line, and knowing that it was going to, if it keeps rejecting, it's going to hammer through soon enough, according to all the other indicators that signal it was bullish. So so it basically just has broken through, and yeah, I'll show you my demo account because I'm feeling really excited. I wanted to share. My demo is in profit. Woohoo! Because I'm doing a trading challenge for real this time on 200k, and the aim is to make 10% this month. So this trade alone is a 2% trade. I feel confident that Bitcoin is going to go a lot further. My targets are, see how it's just getting started. Let's zoom in because it actually looks pretty cool on the 1-hour chart. Look at it go. Oh my goodness. Okay, I think that the next target is 44,000. because I knew once it busted through this long-term trend line, it was going to go. So it is going for a run. So the next stop is 44, I think, before we do a little retracement, and then possibly 46. Yeah, this is a good trade. I'm so stoked. I stayed home to trade this. Yeah, because once I make my profit target, then I get funded. So I'm feeling so confident that that's happening. And yeah, just wanted to share. Hallelujah. Go Bitcoin. Woohoo! I bet there's lots of people doing the Bitcoin dance right now. But yeah, it's a bit late for me. I'm feeling pretty tired, but excited. And I just wanted to make a quick video showing you guys what's possible with trading. You can make money going up, you can make money going down, you can make money on trading for a firm. Oh my goodness. Far out. Oh my goodness. It just looks so nice when you're in a trade. And you see the profit going ballistic. Anyway, that is all, folks, and I will upload this now. And if you are interested in learning this skill and making this sort of money for yourself, you can make it every day if you want. Just I've got a free intro to trading webinar link below that you can watch, and you always feel welcome to reach out and contact me and ask any questions. Cheers!